Hello, sixth graders. Today you're going to be taking notes on slides 9 and 10 of the explain portion of this unit. So if you're ever lost in your slides, make sure you go and toggle through using these arrows to get to that explain section, which is the third section. And you're doing slides 9 and 10. Also, remember that in the assignment, you're given the names of the slides that you need to complete. And so today is internal dynamics of the geosphere, divergent plate boundaries. Remember the plates that are moving apart. And then the next is internal dynamics of the geosphere, convergent boundaries, or the boundaries that are when plates are moving toward each other or coming together. So make sure you're completing all of the activities within each slide, watching the simulations, taking notes. Same thing here. Watching all of the simulations, taking notes, making observations, and then upload a photo of your notes to the assignment. Good luck.